brakes. It'll track straight, nice and straight. Drives kind of like a go-kart. Handles like a go-kart.
Hey guys, welcome back to Intrinsic Off-Road. In this video we're going to be helping to install a new lift kit for one of our friends and his two-door JK. We're going to be showing the full installation as well as some footage of the new lift, so stay tuned.
Yo, what's going on, guys? About to move my Jeep out of the way so Cameron can pull in the garage. We're about to install his Rock Krawler lifts.
This tire carrier looks sick.
What's up? Alright, so we got my Jeep right here. And we got Cameron's pulled in the garage. We just got, well, he got all the lifts in here. Well, so yeah, what does it come with? It's got the shocks.
We got control arms, shocks, track bar, rear track bar bracket, braking lines. And that's it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of stuff to do. So we're just gonna probably do the front first and then the rear and then slap the brake lines in. Yeah, hopefully we can knock it out all today though. Like that's gonna be a good bit of work, but it'd be fun. Hopefully you get the mud cleaned off under there too.
Yeah,
for us.
sprayed it off.
Oh, yeah.
I went there to mark one the other day.
Sweet. Take some measurements before of the coils and the clearance and all that. And then do some after and that'll be it, but it's fully loaded. Got all the goodies in here.
Gotta make sure it's sponsored by Alien Sunshade.
Oh, yeah. Shouts out to Alien Sunshade. Got the green one in mine too. Alright, so we just finished the front end portion. All we are missing now is the brake lines, and we're going to do all that front and rear at once. So we got the front control arms in, the springs, the shocks, and we've got to adjust the links to put those back on, so now it's sitting back on the ground. Yeah, I got the track bar in. We got the track bar and control arms all set, torqued down. Looks good. So now we basically got the front. We got tools everywhere. Old lift, old parts. And yeah, about to finish up the rear. I'm gonna go grab some food and then finish up the rear. Shouldn't take too long, but we got most of the hard part out of the way, so. Yep. Once those are adjusted, won't be too hard. Just a couple of things. All right, so we just finished up the back, got all the tools cleaned up, and we're just left with the brake lines and some new brake pads. That's about it. Got the front all done, looks really good. Got the track bars and control arms torqued down. Got those set to spec. Got the sway bar links adjusted good. Got those in nice and tight. Coils and shocks. Kind of dark, but yeah, looks really good. Rock Krawler. Just got the rear done. Those new Fox shocks and those Rock Krawler coils and the sway bar links. Looks really good. Gained about 1.25 inch lifts in the rear from 2.5 inch coils with 3/4 inch spacers. so I got a little bit more clearance. Just need some wheel spacers, kind of even it out. We got the those Rock Krawler straps for this square bar disconnects. Drilled those in, got those in. Now we're just taking some measurements. So yeah, got the whole lift in. Just waiting on to do the brake line front and rear. Brake lines front and rear tomorrow. Got the steel braided lines, plenty of brake fluid. So yeah, it's about 12:30 a.m. right now. We're both pretty war slap out, so you know, do the brake lines tomorrow when we're both fully awake and finish her up. Looks good. All right guys, we just got the brake lines all in, the front and rear. Now we're just putting the tires back on. We got camera putting the tire on. There's the old brake lines, looking pretty rough. Those are the extension brackets that came with his old lift. And there's the new lines. Sorry the lighting's bad, but I'm sure he'll have plenty of pictures of it on Instagram. So we got all 4 lines in, all bled good. So we got new pads in there too. Went ahead and slapped some pads in there while we were in there. And yeah. All right, so the lift kit is completely installed and all finished up. Looks really good. So you got 35 Nito Cello grapplers on some 17 standard wheels. This is day 2 of the install. We pretty much had everything finished last night around midnight, but today we finished up the brake lines and all that. Got those all bled and everything. They look really good. Steel braided lines. So we got those in. Got those nice and snug. Got everything nice and torqued down. Looks really good. It's a little bit higher now, so he's ready for 37s. Do a little side view right here. So his lift kit came with just the front lower control arms, not all 8. So that way it's got the corrected caster. Got a good pinion angle right there, nice and flat. So when he brakes, it'll track straight, nice and straight. Drives kind of like a go-kart, handles like a go-kart. So yeah, we just got the brakes all bled. Got the finished product right here. Brakes are working great. New pads. Got the pedal for the backup. So that's good. We got Taylor's Jeep right here on 40s. Looking good. What's up, Taylor? What's up? All right, that's it.